Right, we have made it to top of the world on Black Friday, day after Thanksgiving. So we're gonna do a little downhill on a car wreck today and test out the Hero7 Black on that with the stabilization called HyperSmooth. Yeah, this is kind of what I've been waiting for, is a nice day to actually get out here and retake some footage of some of the old classic trails, but do them on the new equipment and see how they look. Try to film this tiny little jump here. And morning. All right, dropping into Mathis. Getting to start a car wreck. Thank you. Enjoy. Hey folks. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Very busy today, so we'll take it slow. Never seen it this busy. Hello. Thank you. Couple more folks. I'm good. I'll go up down the right. Thanks. Hello. Thanks. Squeeze through. To the rock garden, which has been getting more cut up lately. And the famous car wreck. Hey folks, try to squeeze by on the right. No one behind me, at least not with me. Oh wow, they took out the tree. This is all new. They took out the only hard part of the trail. Wow. That's kind of a snoozer now. Put in a new turn, took out the root, took away the up and over section on the right around the tree. Those were the two hardest sections. The car itself turn where all those people were was number 3. And then the long rock garden, which is still intact. So another trail dumbed down, oh well. What do you do? You're good. Hi. Enjoy. And here we are. End of car wreck, heading into Mathis. Sorry to see that, another trail dumbed down for the masses.